Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Well, good morning all. I think I tore my rotator cuff. I definitely damaged my rotator cuff. I'm uncomfortable and in pain, so I'm going to try and rest my arm today. But at the same time, I got the first coat of tung oil on this yesterday, and I want to give this a little quick, I want to give it a second coat, but I have to sand it down. Just it raises the grain just a tiny bit. So I just want to give it a little sanding. So if you have sandpaper, fine. I'm going to use a scuff pad. You don't have to. But I'm going to give it just a little scuffing up, and then I'm going to hit it again with another layer of the tung oil because I can do that left-handed. Watch. I am going against the grain to knock it down first. Then I'm going to go with the grain. And I'm not putting much weight on it at all. We're not sanding. We're just knocking down the high spots, right? Beautiful. All right, I'm going to get another coat of tung oil on it, and then that should be enough. And then it's done. It dried. It looks beautiful. I don't see the little stencil shining through it anywhere. Just pretty. This is pretty. So much better now. I think it's got a classic style now, as opposed to a very dated color and a very dated. I mean, the color wasn't bad, but the stencil and the color together kind of just dated the piece, and so did the stain color on it. So this will just give it a more classic. I feel like gray and natural just live forever. Yeah, let's get the tung oil in there. I'm gonna stop talking now. My arm hurts. We're gonna rescue some stuff today too. So this had an accident in the in the storage area. You can see right there. So I am going to repurpose her. I'm going to call it a her because all reindeer are hers. She's got antlers. That's a girl. It's a girl deer. Girl reindeer. It was $1.99 at Goodwill. It never made it to the floor last year. I got it, I think, right after our sale. It was number 50 of 119. I am sad. I think these candle holders are freaking adorable, but since it's broken, we have to do something. And I had this little guy, also got broken, same box. It went tumbling out of my hands, and I heard stuff break, and these are the two victims in the box. So 2 out of the entire box of stuff is not bad. But I'm going to take Santa off of this. I'm going to put it onto that, and we're going to put some gold on her antler, and we're going to make it cute again, right? Oh, y'all. It could have been worse. That box had a lot in it. It could have been a lot worse. I'm just going to pour some on one end and start working from there. This is the rag I was using yesterday. I am going to go with the green. Come on. Oh, so pretty. Just pretty. Okay, cap it off because there's the fumes in here. Ooh. But I'm going to let this dry for a little bit and then get it out of here. And then I'll come back and we'll do a project. But right now, there's no place to pop up a little table here and do a project. So we're not going to until that dries. So decisions were made on this. Because the gold is a different gold than any gold that I could possibly find, I'm going to tip it with copper. I'm going to redo all of the little antler tips. Instead of being that vintage gold color, I'm just going to paint over it. But I'm going to take a little sandpaper and get the sharp bits off here. Off the broken piece here. I don't want anybody cutting themselves on a little deer antler. This is 220, 120, 120 grit. Like the sharp stuff is coming off. So if you grabbed this and you accidentally hit this spot, like right now, I don't feel anything. A little bit up here. I want to take the copper and replace all the little gold bits. Let me find a brush. Hang on. Wanted to find a brush that was small enough and the bristles aren't like, not too soft. This is a stiffer bristle brush. So you can see they're a little stiffer, more precise. Oh, I just noticed her crown has got a little nick out of it. Well, it's a good thing we're painting it. Painting the whole thing. Oh, this one's broken too. Hang on. So now that's a copper tip. And we're going to do that where all the gold is. This is going to be fun. And I think once we get the Santa on top and kind of give her a little crown of glory here, it'll be good. Ignore the fact that there's still wax in there. But now we're all painted up. She looks cute now. Otherwise, she's going to end up in a landfill. So I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so now we've got this little number. I can't fix that. But I am going to recover. I'm going to take the Santa out because I like these old dancing Santas and I don't want to lose him. That's not what I was going for. We could just give her a tree and put Santa in something else. Okay. Option A. She gets a tree crown. Maybe not a green one, maybe a pink one. Pink? No, you're not pink. All right, so we have the off-white, which she's so white, I'm not sure that would be good. Ooh, silver? Oh, because I've got copper on it. Oh, this is hard. I got blue ones, which... Got a multicolor pack of little ones. What's in here? Ugh. You know what? I think we've got it. I think this would be a cute little floral crown for her. You look adorable. Okay. I think these are about the same era too. What I went ahead and did was bent the stem so that it sort of sits down in there. Nope, that's not gonna work, is it? Because I want it to sit up like this. I feel like this was meant for her head. I'm gonna cut this off because that's not gonna work. So I need to find, I know where my wire cutters are. Hang on, I'll be right back. All right, I nipped it off. And at the same time, I got the glue gun because it was out in the other room. I'm like, oh, dang it, I know where it is. So I'm going to let that heat up. And then, because I like the idea of these going up. So that will be going down like that. And I think if I just glue it like that, she'll be adorable. This has to be down like this though. Just has to be. I don't know if I should fill that. What would I fill it with? Okay, I'm just gonna fill it with cotton batting because I don't know, there's no solution is presenting itself. Glue is hot. Cool. Let's glue that batting in there. Okay, let's get this on here. I'm gonna do a nice thick amount of glue right up front. Ah! Get some underneath there. On top of there. Extreme close up on the deer head. I'm gonna probably have to tack it a couple more places under here. Or maybe not. It seems to be holding. All right, so right here on that point, I am going to glue this down. To keep it from wiggling side to side, I'm gonna glue it on each antler so it's not just wavering in the air. But don't you love her face? Look, oh, she looks like she got herself a little bonnet on for Christmas. Looks so cute. Okay, I think she's done. You guys, I think we rescued her. I don't know. She's definitely getting a price tag on her now because she's got her Christmas hat on. Look how cute. She's adorable. I shut my glue gun off before I forget. I have a tendency to forget that because it's not on like an automatic anymore. Oh my gosh, I like her. Well, she would have gone in the trash bin otherwise. I mean, ordinarily I would not do this to something I think is this precious. I think she's beautiful without this. So I didn't want to lose that face. Look at that face. I didn't want to lose her. So now she sits there just adorably with her little Christmas bonnet on, and I'll put her in the shop. And if nobody buys her, you can live with me. I'll keep you. I think you're adorable. It's so much better than walking over to a trash can and just chucking her because she's just still, she still has value, you guys. She still has value. Look how beautiful. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, don't forget to click the links below. It supports me and the channel, and I am so grateful to everyone who has gotten their shirts. You will find your people wearing that. Happy Junkin' shirt. I love my shirt. I don't get to wear it as much anymore now that I gotta go to a real job. But anyway, if you would like to send me a thrift flip challenge or send anything else, that would be to the P.O. box, and that information is below. Or if you would like to buy me a coffee because your girl's on half a tank, you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. And as a reminder, if you're a vintage reseller, we do have our vintage reseller mastermind group that you can join. It's been a little quiet. I've been a little quiet, so hopefully we can kind of get things going again now that I'm hoping things calm down and I'm going to have a second to breathe. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin' videos.